I am Ally McCarthy, and I head up marketing for Brinker Capital, which is an independent investment management company based in Berwyn, Pennsylvania. We work with financial advisors to help their clients achieve better outcomes. So some of the challenges that we faced before Seismic was that our content was placed in many different places, and so there was ultimately a lack of confidence by employees that they were using the latest and greatest piece. And so what we wanted to do was really find a technology that could bring all of our content into one central location and kind of restore that confidence, if you will, in that all the employees knew that what they were using was actually the most current piece available. People right now are really excited about Seismic at Brinker Capital. They love being able to have our content available on a mobile app, which is an amazing tool. Not too long ago, one of the sales members said, "Seismic is freaking awesome," and it was so great to hear that even early on we're getting kudos from the sales team about it. So Seismic has changed marketing's day-to-day world in a meaningful way. It allows us to look into our marketing organization and really understand what's working and what's not, and really aligning our goals and having clarity around what's available to the rest of the team. One of the biggest impacts that Seismic has had at Brinker Capital is a sense of empowerment from all employees, that they're able to serve the advisors that we work with to their best ability and have confidence that they have the latest marketing material or the most current marketing material available to them. So we're super excited of where we are, but more importantly, where it will help us go in the future.